What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
a shoe that has been highly coveted and hard to grab. It's a shoe that's been called perennial, and it is the Tom Sachs NikeCraft GPS General Purpose Shoe. Y'all know what's already in this box if you're big into the sneaker game like we are.
NikeCraft shoe.
NikeCraft, but Minecraft, sure. But Nigel, before we pull the shoe out and get into it, what should they do?
Y'all already know what you need to do. Ring that notification bell so that you can stay updated when we drop some new heat for y'all.
Do that.
Please.
You owe it to yourself.
You do.
We dropping heat, man. Heat rocks.
So should we do a Nigel C, Daddy C collab where I'm playing Minecraft on my Twitch and you are talking about the NikeCraft Minecraft shoe?
I mean, you got your gaming channel and you do your gaming, right? Minecraft is cool. This is NikeCraft. Not quite the same. Minecraft, everything is like
That's
blocks,
the thing.
right?
It's Minecraft or NikeCraft.
NikeCraft. We'll think about that.
Was this not like a Minecraft shoe?
I mean, if that was the case, I was going to pull it out and it's going to be just like a block. It's going to look like this box with shoelaces on it. And we're not doing that. This is Tom Sachs, man. Tom Sachs is a designer. He's done the Mars Yard, which is like a very is a rare, rare shoe, expensive shoe. If you're buying one, you're looking at 5,000 plus. He makes kind of like a minimalist type of design on his shoes. Yeah. And this is his newest iteration. This is the shoe, we talked about it. It was like the marketing behind it, they called it boring. Because it's just the general purpose shoe. It's not, super fancy, tons of heavy design.
Straight up just a shoe you can wear.
Yeah, a shoe you can wear, exactly.
That's low-key, I'm really about to patent that, bro.
You like that?
A shoe you can wear is hard.
A shoe you can wear.
I
like that.
That's tough.
Yeah, because it's crazy. We got so many shoes now. Do y'all have shoes that you can't really wear? You get them, you want them so bad, then you get them, you pull them out. Nah, let me not wear these and wear these Yeezy foam runners instead and keep the heat in the closet. I do that sometimes.
You definitely do.
It's like all these
shoes that we ain't seen since the last coming of Christ.
It's got to be a special occasion or a special outfit, man. All right, so we're going to get into this NikeCraft general purpose shoe right now. Yeah. It's a cool box. Look at this. You got a lot going on here.
Oh, my goodness.
My man put a whole story in the box lid. What does that say, Nigel?
NikeCraft shoes are manufactured to the exact specifications of champion athletes throughout the world. The design and construction of NikeCraft products support all the activities of your life and tell your story. NikeCraft shuns innovation for its own sake, but embraces it as a necessity. Top quality products fulfill their intended purpose while remaining as hard-wearing as possible. Before recycling, there's reuse. For reuse, there's durability.
That
sounds like the thing at the end of the medicine commercials.
Like all the side effects?
Yes.
Don't take this if you are sleepy.
And if
you are human. All right, so we got that. Nice box. I mean, like a lot of branding. The NikeCraft is like this handwritten script that Tom Sachs is known for. And then the shoe, basic tissue paper. Then we're going to pull out this little guy here.
It was not lying.
That's it, man.
That
the general
boring.
Purpose shoe. Is it boring?
Yes.
It's boring, right?
No marketing, though.
Yeah, it's a general purpose shoe. What does that mean?
That means it works.
You can use it for all the things, right? Yeah. All the purposes. The thing with this shoe, man, it's hard to get.
Yeah.
So they done 2 releases of this shoe. They released, I want to say the first one might have been May or June. And then, of course, resale prices were through the roof. And Tom Sachs even said after the drop, they released by raffle only on his website. It's like TomSachs.com. You enter, you put your information in, and you wait and see if you get a text message. So, of course, me, all my friends, we're just looking, checking our phones like 8,000 times. You get anything? You get anything? You get anything? No. Friend of mine hit, of course. My buddy Shay, she hits everything. So this is not my size. This is a 6.5 men's.
Tiny.
Yeah, they're tiny. So what I'm on a mission for is to do a size swap. If I can find an 11, I can swap these for that. So that's not the easiest thing.
This little network you got. It's like your friends be buying shoes, and sometimes they buy the shoes in your size, and if you want the shoes, they just give them to you.
No, nobody's giving anything.
You buy it off of them.
Correct. So I do the same for them, right? If it's a shoe that I don't want personally, then I'll enter, and they want it, then I'll enter in their size, right? And if I hit, then give it to them, sell it to them, whatever. So they do the same for me.
Exclusive reselling.
It's not reselling at all. This is for retail. Exclusive retailing.
I get you.
Yeah, so we're just doing an assist. It's just doing a solid.
So for this,
kind of like your Black Thunders, your Red Thunders you got, right? I had a homie hook me up for those for retail. I didn't pay resale for those shoes.
So,
It's all about, knowing people and having a common goal.
I got another question.
What's that?
Did Shay not want these shoes?
She didn't.
Oh, so she just got them.
She got them and then was like, nah, she doesn't really want them. She's like, I can give them to you and you can see if you can find an 11. I said, all right, bet. Let's do that.
Huh.
There you go. So shout out to the homie. So this shoe, again, released on the raffle on their site, that first drop in like May, June. Then Tom Sachs released a note saying, listen, don't go pay resale for these shoes. These are going to release, he calls them perennially, right? So they're going to keep restocking like
why
that.
you said that, because I don't even know what that means.
Yeah, it's going to continue like a perennial plant, right? You put a flower in your flower bed, they call perennials. And that means they don't die. You plant them once, they die out, they come back. You die, they come back. So perennial releases is just like the pandas, right? They keep restocking. Pandas, man, it's like every month. They drop again and again.
That's
and
why
again.
you see them on foot of every person in the world.
Yeah, but it's crazy because the only pair, did I hit on yours personally?
You must have, because I
think
have
I did. I mean, I know. I'm trying to remember if it was in the connection in my crew. I think yours is the only pair that I hit on.
Oh, so you tried like multiple times?
Yeah,
Oh.
for my own, for
Wow.
your mom, for your sister. And it's just L, 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 and I got one W, and that was for your
They
pair.
drop them all the time, but everybody wants them. So
Right, so
it doesn't make a
it's tons of
difference.
L's going out. So same with these. So they just did a second drop. Shay hit on those. Nobody hit on that first drop. She hit on the second drop. And again, they said they're going to release again. So we don't know when the next one is, but that was just like August 5th. So the next drop is probably another month or two, maybe. But they're going to keep releasing. Anyway, back to the shoe. What we made of here?
Not even back. We haven't even talked about the shoe yet.
Right, the shoe itself. We got some linen kind of feeling, like canvas.
Yeah, about 10 million different materials on here.
Yeah, it's like some coated canvas around like the swoosh in this front toe box area, like kind of painted, some type of sealing that they use on there, like an epoxy, some suede around the foot of the shoe.
And the fattest gum at the bottom.
Yeah, that's like a serious gum sole,
Yeah, ginormous.
which is really hard. That's like a stiff midsole.
Listen.
Wow, that is serious. But again, general purpose. It's not for running.
True.
This is for, I don't know.
It could be.
You just doing your thing. You doing all the things. And then we got the waffle on the outsole. Like a tread for like a hiking. You're getting your walk on. You're doing a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
But I like the cream color with this tan. And then you got the blue, like pull tabs on the tongue and on the heel.
Yeah.
You got Nike on the back there.
To be honest, I don't know about the blue.
No? The blue kind of gives it a little, a little pop.
Yeah, I agree. It does. I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You didn't know about it, but now you like it?
Yeah, but then you just said that little pop, and like,
All right, you like
I didn't really have a solid opinion, but then you were like, it is cool, and then my mind restructured. I was like, it is kind of cool.
All right, okay. All right, that's what make sure, stick to your guns. And the tongue and the collar around the shoe, really not much padding at all. It's very, very thin, just thin, that canvas kind of feel.
And
you see that?
Yeah, it's like a crepe.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it's like. Really like a crepe.
Yeah.
And this is kind of, I think they put some suede on the inside. Let's see, inside the shoe, we got the NikeCraft script in there. But nice details, right?
Yeah.
It's a well-made shoe.
And on the back of the tongue, this thing looks like it came from like the 1940s. You got every piece of information. You got the S/N. What's that social number?
Serial number.
You got the serial number of the shoe on the inside of the tongue, as well as the name of the company, the Nike number,
The general purpose
purpose shoe, and a bunch of information at the bottom.
NikeCraft shoes manufacturers and expect for say just was in the box.
Yep.
Championship athletes, so on and so on and so on and so forth. So yeah, it's a basic general purpose,
I like
shoe.
it though.
I won't say it's boring. I think it's just a clean, simple design.
Mad Vincent.
What do y'all think about this shoe? You like this shoe? You feeling it? Let me know if you copped a pair, because again, this is like literally, this is like you just played a lottery. You just throw your ticket in, and whoever gets blessed with a pair gets a pair.
Yeah.
Kind of like the Travis Scott release, because here's the same thing. You go on his website, enter the raffle, and everybody just waits.
Now you should do that though.
I've done that.
Yeah.
Travis is hard to get, man. He's hard to get. But anyway, did y'all hit out there? Let me know. So that's that shoe, man. What do you think of the rating, Nigel? What you thinking, man?
I don't know. It's mad vintage. So like, I might have to give it. I'm gonna give it an 8, 8.5 to be honest.
Really?
Because like I like it. I don't know.
You don't know what to do with it.
I really have no clue because there's so many like different pieces that I have different opinions about.
For me, it feels almost like it could be like a safari shoe. Like I'm just giving like the old style. You got your hat on with the and that shirt with all the pockets and the.
But out there,
then you got these on.
I don't know. I gotta have like some boots.
True.
in the safari, you know.
True story. I mean,
That's some Nikes.
urban safari. I don't know. Walking the city, New York streets.
Going on a run through the Central Park.
Yeah, not a run though. These not a running
Not
shoes.
running shoes.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
But you walking through Central
Walk through
Park.
Central Park.
Yeah, agreed. My rating, I really like this shoe a lot. I'm giving it a 9. As different as it is and clean as it is, you know, no bells and whistles, you know, I
Yeah.
like that. It's just understated, simplistic.
True.
That's my steez, right? This would be nice with a pair of khakis, pair of jeans,
I was thinking that, yeah.
you know, something like
Sweats.
that. Yeah.
It's just the gum sole. I mean, just the gum mid. What's it called?
Yeah,
Midsole.
midsole.
Yeah, it's just the gum midsole for me. I just can't.
It's a little less gum. It's more like caramel. It looks like
Yeah.
a piece of toffee.
But it's just so thick, I can't bear it.
You can't bear it.
No.
All
But
right.
aside from that, I do love this shoe.
It's not a cushion though. I'll tell you that from that insole.
On
yeah.
the bottom.
Yeah, very
But
cushiony.
On the sides and stuff, it's straight up just like,
Yeah, this is like
paper thin.
It is. It's paper thin. So I'm curious to see how these fit on foot. What they feel like, you know, because I got to figure out first how to get my size. Anybody out there with a size 11 and looking for a smaller size, maybe for your small foot people, cousin, your wife, whatever, holler at me. We can do some things. All right. Thanks for hanging out for this GPS shoe. Talk to you on the next one. Peace.